Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to insert a Word file or Word document in your Excel sheet or Excel. It's pretty easy, so let's get right into the video. Once you have opened up your Excel file, head over to Insert. If you are already in Home tab, head over to Insert. Then if you hover on this text section, there you can see an option named Object. Click on it and then change it to Create from File. Then click on Browse. It will allow you to browse your computer so that you can choose your desired Word file to insert in your Excel sheet. So my one is this, and once you are okay with your selection, click on Insert. Then again click on OK. As you can see, your Word document is already inserted in your Excel sheet, and yeah, that's it. If you want to make it smaller or larger, you can also do that. All you have to do is just make things like this, and yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.